move to the third programming challenge for chapter 1. It's called enhanced unit converter. So that is just expand what we have learned and have done for the temperature converter, length converter, where the challenge is try to make that more flexible and combine those with our user the easier select menu, then user can treat this as a multi-function or multi-purpose unit conversion. So it may not have too much new things to be learned from this challenge, but you will see how you can package multiple layers of logic into one program. So we may write down from scratch again so that you can review some key informations. So let me first copy those generic structure of the comments, and these are of 0, 1, 11, enhanced unit converter gave a py. So let's put in this one, enhanced unit converter. Today is already 12, so that's fine. So what we will put in is convert between unit of mass, unit between temperature, and the unit is also we have a kilometer, a kilogram and pound, and also length for kilometer and miles, and for temperature is Celsius and Fahrenheit. So we may have 6. The 3 pair, but the 6 those converters. So first, let's write down is our primary this program. So this time we're starting from this one. So min name check is whether it's equal to min. So if that, then we will starting to do is first we want to print our menu. So this menu we need to define. So then this we will get our choice. So user will give our choice. Choice is input. We can see this choice just as a string, so we don't need to convert that. So which you can use a single quote or double quote. Both are okay as long as you have the same pair. So which conversion you would you like to do? So we gave our users choice. Then this choice depending on is our menu. So let's put this our menu function. So def print menu. So those print menu will print just some So we have this comma. Then we will print several parts. So first is I prefer to use double quotes if I have a sentence, but some the colleagues or some friends you intends to use single quotes. That no matter. So then this we see that this defined by you. So let's say the kilometers to miles. So that is our first one. Then we will have a print 2 miles to kilometers. Then print 3. And this we can see is kilograms to pounds. So we can keep writing that, but before that is let's write this. Oh, you see here the correct menu is coming. Let's see. So I want to choose one. Then it should come into the next level logic, but we haven't write down those. So let's finish our menu. So we should have a 6 menu. So 4, 5, 6. Then we will have our pounds to kilograms, and then here is the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then we will copy this to here, copy this to here. So now we have our first level logic. Then what we will going to do is we will have several this choice. So depending on if if choice is 1, if choice is 2, so if choice equal to we see that is our string, so 1. Then we will have something, so km to the miles. So that is our first one. So we will copy this to some more. So we define certain so we have 2 more. So these are 2, if it's 2, if it's 3, if it's 4, if it's 5, if it's 6. So that is our key logic. Then if it's 2, then I will go to km. If it's the 3, is we give our kg to pounds, and then this we have the pounds to kg, and we have the cell to Fahrenheit, and then we have this Fahrenheit to cell. So now we have this logic. What we are missing is just starting to def this km miles. So what we will need to do is we will call this kl miles, and then through here is we are getting this input, because different the inputs, different function, we may have a different type of inputs and different calculations. So we can transfer something from inputs here, then transfer certain things here. But it's better if we package that into our converter. That will be easier. So like this, we have a float inputs, and then enter distance, because every converter we may have the different the prompt text kilometers. So that is our enter. Then what is miles? So will be miles will km divided by 1.609. Then we will print the we see the kilo, let's see, so 1, let's give this F2 kilometers is in 1, F2 miles. So that is our part, and give our format with km and miles. So let's starting to try first. So we got this one. Let's try the first one. So enter distance in kilometer. Let's see, I have 120 kilometers. So what's the invalid F2? So that is not in the correct one. So let's see here. So 2F, you see. So that is the syntax. I hope it's you can also through such kind of try to make some the syntax better remembered in your mind. So here you see the 120 is equal to this. So, but looks like it's my this syntax is not working. So I should have a comma. So I didn't have this, and with a dot. So you see here, I didn't have this dot. So that is the second thing is I make mistake. So 102.20. So now it's perfect. It's a 2 floating digit. Here is a 2 floating digit. It's fine to this one. So let's see. So what we can do now is we can starting to utilize this and try to make some let's make this bigger. So this is miles to km. So what I will have is miles and km. Km is miles times. So times 0.1. So this is miles and this is the kilometers. You remember is actually if you don't change this, you can change here, but let's not make ourselves confused. Otherwise, you need to remember the things. So now I have the second. So if I put this 80 miles, it's getting 128. So that is perfect. So let me keep copy. So I will have this to another part is let's ensure is you don't have a wrong this name. So next name is kg to pound. So let's copy that. So what you need to fill in is this kg. So here is the weight in kilogram, and then the pound. The difference will be the formula. So pound and kg is your kg times 2. So kg times 2.205. So you can check from some formulas, then get that. So this is kg pounds. So that is kilograms. And then this is will give you the pounds. And the next one will be the pounds to kg. So similarly, is you get pounds, and here is kg, and here is pounds divided by 2.205, and weight in GHT in pound. So here is so many pounds go to kilograms. I also suggest is if you see the functions structure are similar, try to do like me is copy some structure, or we can see that is the templates to the next one. At least that you see you just have a 3 statement: input statements, converting statement, calculation, and then the outputs. So with the same templates, make your the program also looks good. So the this from pounds to kg is a divide. So let's keep testing. So let's go to 4, and then I need to get pounds. So let's see. So I have 3, maybe 54 pounds. I got this almost 25 kilos. So that is good. And then let's make the temperature. So you remember the temperature is the difference is minus 32 and times the 59 is from the Fahrenheit to Celsius. So those are the things we just need to make that formula in the second statement. So no any the difficulties, I should say. So now we have our the cell. You can see cell series, and this is the Fahrenheit. So enter temperature in cell, and what's this from cell? It should be make this the multiply first. So cell series times is the 9 divided by 5, and then plus 32. So you just need to remember is Fahrenheit is bigger than the Celsius. So this one we can see is the Celsius, and this is the Fahrenheit. So that is this one, and this is this one. Oh, I think it's I made this Celsius. I think I put that wrong. So let me make this here. I make wrong order, so this one should be here. And then this I should put Fahrenheit first, Celsius second, input the temperature in Fahrenheit, put this in big, and then here is this one, then the difference is this. I need to make our parentheses divided by 32, 32, and the times 5 divided by 9. So that is the changing, and the last is this one. So from this to here. Yeah. So if you don't make there's a mistake on the copy paste, so that is the I think is you are now good. Let's check. Is 5. 5 is I need to put is the Celsius. I see the normal the body temperature. Then is 98. So and both have the 2 digits of that. Yeah. So that is the enhanced unit the converter. I hope is you also have this quickly making that, and this one is extendable, so you can keep adding menus, and these menus can be extended if you want to check, for example, convert time from the hours to seconds. So, and also is if you want to convert currency, which is more complexity depending on the exchange rates. So you can keep adding that, and normally is will be the pair. So you convert from A to B. You also need to provide a feature from B to A with the vice versa calculating formula. So I hope you are enjoy to do this. We are making our program longer, so now it's more than 60 lines. But as long as you have a clear the logic of your the approach in your program, I don't think it will be difficult for you to make a long program. So next challenge, we will go to the fraction. The calculator. See you in that video. Bye for now.